My name is Rob Lewin. I'm the Director for Global Logistics for Flowserve Corporation, based here in Dallas, Texas. Flowserve is a leading manufacturer in pumps, seals and valves for the flow industry. We work a lot with companies around the world. We have 55 offices around the world. We're in 55 countries around the world. The challenge that we have is the diversity of the company. We had about 220 shipping locations from around the world. Everybody was doing their own thing basically. So what was happening was every site had their own transportation companies, had their own ways of doing business. The other thing that was very unique to us was that we were making seals that were small and could fit inside an envelope and go on a courier company or even the mail, all the way up to making a pump that was the size of a house and where we would require chartering an aircraft or chartering a boat to move it. I've had a relationship with Pegasus through 3 different companies. We had brought in companies to look at our programs, to manage our programs in some cases, and Pegasus was one of those companies. It was done through a formal bid process, and they won the bid, they won the business, and continue to do what they've done for me all these years. Pegasus has a different attitude. Pegasus is like, yes, you're the boss and we understand you pay the bills, however, we also have a stake in it because we have a reputation. We don't want Flowserve to fail, we don't want to fail, so we've got to have that joint relationship for both of us to have a win-win situation at the end of the day. I'll give you an example of that. We had a crate come in from overseas that had to be at a certain site in Virginia. You have to get a certain permit for trucking pieces that are this large. And the permit has to be specific. If you say it's 6 feet, it's 6 feet. It's not 6 feet and a half inch, it's got to be 6 feet. And the permit states that. To get a new permit for that particular crate would have taken about 3 weeks in West Virginia. He had them cut a hole where he could see inside, and he saw that the motor itself was actually about 6 inches below the crate. He then contacted the engineers at the destination site for me and said, this is the situation, this is what we can do. We can take the top of the crate off, we'll cover it with a tarpaulin, we'll band it down, it will not get damaged in any which way, but we'll be able to come under the weight, and therefore we're okay with the permit. It was agreed upon, it was delivered, everybody was happy. Logistics is still very much a people program. It's relationships. It's a matter of, let's work together, let's put 4 brains together and come up with a solution for Flowserve. That is the key to this thing. It's at the end of the day, it's a solution for my company. And that is what they do so very, very well.